The first Cardiff Queen Street railway station, close to the site of the current station, was opened by the Taff Vale Railway in October of 1840 and known as Cardiff Taff Vale. This station had one platform to begin with a second being added in 1862, and at the same time the head office of the Taff Vale Railways moved alongside the station. In 1887, Taff Vale Station was demolished and replaced with a new station with the current name of Cardiff Queen Street, which at this time consisted of two through platforms and a South Bay facing platform, all covered by a large overall roof. Nearby, the Rhymney Railway built its own terminus to join just to the east of Queen Street called Adam Street in 1858. This was replaced in 1871 by a new station called Cardiff Crockertown, which was a short distance to the northeast of Queen Street. Crockertown Station was renamed Cardiff Rhymney in 1888 and then Cardiff Parade in 1924. The Taff Vale and Rhymney Railways became part of the Great Western Railway in 1922, and as there was no longer any need for two rival stations in close proximity, on the 15th of April 1928 the GWR opened a short connection just to the north of Queen Street connecting the Rhymney line to the Taff Vale line. This allowed Parade Station to be closed and its services diverted into Queen Street. In order to accommodate the extra Rhymney line services, the Queen Street was enlarged at this time from 3 platforms to 5 platforms, with the addition of a new island platform. The station remained fairly unaltered until 1970 when it was completely rebuilt by British Railways. The rebuild saw the station overall roof removed, the original Taff Vale station frontage and booking hall demolished and replaced with a modern structure, and a number of platforms reduced to 3, consisting of a central island platform and the south-facing bay. Modern electric lifts were installed to take passengers from the subway to the new platforms. On the east side of the station, a large office block was constructed called Brunel House, and until 1884 the headquarters of the Cardiff Division of British Railways Western Region. In 1988 the entrance building was refurbished, and in March 1990 the Bay Platform 3 was turned into a through platform. In 2005 the station was fitted with new ticket gates, operational when the station is staffed to allow easier access in both directions. In 2006 LED screens replaced the old information display monitors. The old station car park is now dedicated for private use by residents in the nearby modern development of apartments known as the Aspect. As part of a £220 million regeneration scheme to boost train capacity in Cardiff and the surrounding areas, Cardiff Central and Cardiff Queen Street stations were redeveloped from April 2013 to June 2014 respectively. The whole Cardiff area signalling renewal project was completed by early 2017, funded by the Department of Transport, Assembly Government and Network Rail. The Assembly Government committing £17 million for the enhancement programme. As part of the scheme, a new entrance building and 2 new platforms were constructed at Queen Street Station, bringing the platform numbers back to the pre-1973 number of 5, allowing the number of trains running through the station to be increased from 12 per hour to 16 per hour. This included a second northbound through platform and a south-facing bay platform reserved for the shuttle service to Cardiff Bay. The new platforms were brought into use on Sunday, December the 14th, 2014. Platform 1 is the new bay platform for the Cardiff Shuttle, Platform 2 for City Line services to Radyr and trains to Penarth, Platform 3 for trains to Barry Island and the Vale and Glamorgan line, Platform 4 for trains to Corriton and Rhymney, and the new Platform 5 for services through Treherbert, Aberdare and Merthyr Tydfil. In spring of 2016, the roll of honour of those served in the armed forces between 1914 and 1919 from the Taff Vale Railway was put on display in the ticket hall. And in November 2016, a QR code was added to give more information about the men commemorated in the roll call. So we'll get started here at Cardiff Queen Street with 231006, working the 0620 transport for Welsh service from Penarth to Bargoed. Next arrival into the station is 153921, working the 0626 Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Corriton. Next departure from the station is 15252, working the 0626 Transport for Wales service from Caerphilly to Bridgend. Arriving next into the station is 150282, working the 0630 Transport for Wales service from Barry Island to Merthyr Tydfil. Arriving next into the station is 153914, working the 0635 Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Rhydyr. Next departure for the station is 153913, working the 0636 Transport for Wales service from Corriton to Cardiff Bay. And coming back a few minutes later, terminating with that service from Cardiff Bay, is 153913. And guess what that next departure is? That's right, it's 153913 with the 0648 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Bay. One in, one out now with the arrival of 150269 and the departure of 150283, working the 0645 Transport for Wales service from Bridgend to Aberdare, running 5 minutes late, and the 0650 Transport for Wales service from Aberdare to Barry Island, respectively. Arriving next into the station is Dirty Flirt 231011, working the 0650 Transport for Wales service from Penarth to Bargoed. Arriving next to terminate with a Transport for Wales service off Cardiff Bay is 153913. Another case of 1 in 1 out now as 153913 departs while 15270 arrives. Working the 0700 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Bay and the 0700 Transport for Wales service from Barry Island to Merthyr Tydfil respectively. Next train out to depart is 153921, working the 0701 Transport for Wales service from Corriton to Rhadr. A freight train this early in the morning? Yes please, if you don't mind me saying so, with 66171 at the helm, working 4 Charlie 93 from Margam TC to Cumbergo at Opencast Colliery. And as that disappears off into the distance, we see the departure of 15208, working the 0706 Transport for Wales service from Merthyr Tydfil to Barry Island. How about a good helping of 153 action now, as we see the departure of 153913, followed by 153327 and 153906. Working the 0712 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Bay and the 0710 Transport for Wales service from Rhymney to Penarth, respectively. Next arrival into the station is 150-251, working the 0715 Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Aberdare. And here here comes our train in the form of 231003, working the 0720 Transport for Wales service from Penarth to Bargode.
Caerphilly, Aber, Emydlyn a Ffordd Churchill, Llanbradach, Ystrad Mynach, Hengoed, Pengam a Bargod. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 20 munud wedi 7 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Bargod.
The train now approaching platform 4 is the 0720 Transport for Wales service to Bargod, calling at Heath High Level, Llanishen, Lisbane and Thornhill, Caerphilly, Aber, Emydlyn and Churchill.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.